Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix the auto brightness not working on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Let's begin! First, let's simply check if you have our auto brightness enabled. We can do that by heading into settings, scrolling down into display, and right under our brightness bar we should see adaptive brightness currently being disabled. So all you want to do is simply enable it, and this should resolve the issue, and your brightness should now automatically change and adapt itself depending on your surroundings. But there's still a chance that it's not working for you. Why? Well, usually this means that the phone cannot actually get into your surroundings. Well, if that's the case, we can lock the screen, we can take some sort of microfiber cloth, and we can give a front camera, which has light sensors in it, a nice little rub, and thanks to it, it now should see everything pretty clearly. However, if it's still not working and if you have still troubles with that feature, I would also advise you to just reboot your device. Really, you can easily do that by expanding the control center from the top right corner and then hitting power button and clicking restart twice. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software but hardware as well, including the light sensors that are responsible for gaining the information about the light levels around you and then using that information, adjusting the brightness levels accordingly. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.